Hi, today we're going to be working on PGCPS Math 8, Unit 2 Functions 2018-2019. So click on that. And we will be working on 2.6, write an equation for a line on a graph. So click on that. All right, we're going to be doing number 1 here on the second part. Identify the slope and y-intercept for the line on the graph. First off, we need to know what kind of slope this is. Is it going to be positive or negative? Positive slopes go up, negative go down. So this one is going to be a negative slope. And the y-intercept, does it intercept the y-axis at the top or the bottom? If it's at the bottom, it's going to be negative. So both of these happen to be negative. So to determine what the y-intercept is, we do the y-intercept first. Where does it cross the y-axis? And it crosses, let's see, right here. Oops, right there, which is going to be at -1, -2, cross at -2. Now we need to find what the slope is. So in order to find the slope, we need 2 points that are on the line. So we could do, there's different ways we could do it. Here's a point here, and here's a point here. They both cross. So we're going to make a triangle, draw a straight line. Now, well, we could have made a triangle on this side, either or, doesn't matter. So the rise is right here. We're going to count the rise. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rise is 4. And then the run is here, and the run is 1. So 4 over 1 is the slope. And it happens to be negative. So it's -4 over 1, which is just -4. So we have both pieces. We have the slope is -4 and with the y-intercept at -2. And the y-intercept is really at 0, -2. That's the coordinates. 0 is for the x, and -2 is here. Number 2 says complete the equation for the line on the graph in problem 1. So here, y is equal to blank x plus blank. What they're asking is you to fill in the slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b. Here's the m, x plus b. M stands for slope, and in our case, slope is -4. So -4 will go here. And b is the y-intercept, and in this case, the y-intercept is -2. Right? Let's try this out and see if it really works. Okay, let me clear this out for us. Let me just put it in and see. -4, -2. Let's check our work. That's correct. And here, -4, -2. Check our work. Both correct. All right. Let's erase all this. All right, let's go to the last page. Usually that's one of the most difficult. And let's do this one. We'll do number 3. Okay. So is this a positive or negative slope? Well, it's going up, so it has to be positive. So the positive slope is going to be a positive. All right. Now, Y-intercept, it's at the top, so it's going to also be positive. Where does it cross the y-axis? It crosses at 0, 1, at positive 2. Let's put positive 2 here. Let's put 2. And the slope. Find 2 points. Okay, so let's do this point here. And let's do this point here right at the top. Okay, so let's rise first. Rise all the way to that point, and then we're going to run. So the rise is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The run is 8. So our slope is 6 over 8. And we can reduce that fraction from 6 over 8 to 3/4. So our slope is 3/4. Here, you'll put 3 and 4. And let's check our work. You get green. Okay, so let's complete the equation for the line. So again, when they say the equation for the line, they mean y is equal to mx plus b. So write that out. Mx plus b. There's a cursive b, but it's a sloppy one. Let me do that one again. Here's a b. Mx plus b. All right. So our m is a slope, and in this case, it's 3/4. And our b is the y-intercept, and that is 2. So let's check our work. It checks out, and it is correct.